Hi everyone, Shaman here from Hyper Automobiles, and what we have here today is a 2019 Skoda Rapid. So as we hinted, this is the city's competitor and yeah, it's worth it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we have loads of content coming and we're doing this for a reason, as I've said before. So yeah, let's get on to the review. So let's start off the review by talking about the design of the Rapid. So at first you have this kind of a medium-sized grille, I would say.
The grill looks good, but bit fake vents here.
Yeah, just the top
Top
half,
is fake
top
and
half.
this is completely exposed. So I don't know if it's good or bad.
I don't know.
I would say it's okay.
Yeah, and you have the huge Skoda symbol over there, and then I think this is in full black because it gives a sporty finish. And then what do you guys think of the color? Because this color,
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. It looks good. It looks sick. And then
You have fake vents down there.
yeah, you have little fake vents in the corners,
But real vents.
but real vents over there. You can see the radiator. And coming to the headlights, so headlights are actually nicely
yeah,
designed.
It's not aggressive, but it's well built.
It's very simple to be honest.
Yeah.
There's not much in it. And then coming up and front splitter. Oh my god.
Looks pog.
So that's a front splitter over there. You have some extra vents over there. And then coming over to the side of the car. So coming on the side of the car. Again, so you have some chrome treatment over here and you have black mirrors. Black
It
mirrors.
looks so good. Totally sports car like.
Yeah, totally sports car. Like it looks sick, honestly. You have the chrome bar which runs all the way through all the windows. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
It gives it a kind of luxury finish at the same time a sporty finish. So the door handles are painted in the body color, not chrome or anything. Not even in black, which is fine. Coming to the wheels. These wheels
Look epic.
Epic.
I have to be honest.
Exactly.
The black looks so good.
and black goes with this color. I know.
Yeah, yeah.
We are weirdos. We like dark with the dark, but don't mind us. It looks sick. In person,
Tell us how you feel.
Exactly. In person, it looks awesome.
Yeah.
So you get discs in the front. What tire size do you get here? So you get 16s over here, and yeah, it's just like any other city car. You can upgrade them to any other thing. So it's 16s. And
the
coming over to the
backlights.
back. So as you see there, you have a shark fin antenna.
Which looks awesome.
Yeah,
Even
because-
the Hyundai Verna has the shark fin.
2019. This
One
is,
of its competition.
And then coming out to the back, you have the Skoda logo here.
This light is from the old Rapid.
Exactly. So
And it's really decent. It's pretty.
it's very simple Skoda
Simple,
makes.
yeah.
And even the bumper has been revised a bit. You have the sensors over here.
Yeah.
And then over
You
here
have a
you have the
huge Skoda logo.
Skoda logo over here.
Yeah.
And then you have the Rapid logo over here. And then you have chrome bar that runs in the end of the boot. That looks nice.
Yeah.
And then
So we're done
what do
cramming
we
in the
think?
back.
And this is the petrol. So what do we think of the design of the car? The design honestly
Is-
has not changed much from the older Rapids.
Yeah.
What they've done is they've just changed the front splitter a bit, the front bumper.
And-
Here you have like bonnet creases which surround the logo over
Yeah.
here. That looks sick. Sporty
Yeah.
finish again. Let's get on to the interior.
This is the key of the car.
That's the key of the car.
You know that.
You have the key. It doesn't have
just
key.
press
listen.
the button and
And here it
Even
has,
this has the tailgate opener from the key itself.
Yeah, and it's lock and unlock.
Yeah, and you have that logo behind.
And you have the logo behind.
Let's go.
So let's get on to the interior. So I'll unlock the car. Right now we are inside the Rapid. Let's start again with the steering wheel. So steering wheel, as you see, it has steering mounted control. You have only volume and to answer calls. You don't have cruise control or anything.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I think it's because it's so this car comes in around 8.5 lakhs on road price.
Yeah.
And then what I love is you got a flat bottom steering wheel. So
that's rare.
yeah, that's rare because only sporty cars get that, and Skoda is the master of doing flat bottoms. And yeah, so it's
The
a three-
steering looks good.
Steering
Sporty.
looks good. Yeah, you have a nice handles over here. And then coming to the speedometer. Speedometer, because it's petrol, it revs freely. So it goes all the way till 5,500 RPM almost revving. And top speed shows 240, but it won't. Its top speed is around 170, 80 somewhere there.
Simple rear view
Simple rear view mirror over here.
Yeah.
And then
and nice lights, I could say.
Nice.
Like different car have different style of the lights.
exactly,
actually.
yeah. And then here you have
Vanity
you
mirror
have
again.
vanity mirror. And then here you don't have a vanity mirror.
Yeah.
AC vents are shaped well. They have this
Yeah.
chrome finish. Again, which gives it a luxury finish. Coming to the infotainment system of the car. So yeah, as usual, 2019 touchscreen. Let's see how responsive it is. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's actually pretty responsive, to be
Yeah.
honest. not the worst, but you get what you pay for. So around 8.5 lakhs, you get a nice infotainment system.
And
it's
you
pretty
have
small.
radios and everything. Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty small, but whatever. It's pretty responsive. That's what we want. Everyone
Yeah.
wants. And yeah, that's about it. The climate controls over
Nice,
here.
yeah.
Again, you have toggles, small toggles, cute toggles. And then, and I don't know, some style over here, vents kind of thing. You have some buttons over here for, for...
Max.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Max AC.
Yeah, rear
And
defogging.
I don't know what these are.
And, yeah.
This is for leg AC. Yeah, I know.
And all those things. So coming here, you have the hazard light over here. And then the practicality of the Rapid.
Lot of space,
Lot of
honestly.
space
It's
over there.
wide.
It's wide.
Like most of the cars are in, but this is wide.
Yeah.
And I think you've got more inside.
Yeah, so you
you've
have
got
loads
more.
of space over there. And even talking about the doors also, you have the unlock and lock over here.
The doors look good.
Yeah, that's awesome. You get that light over
Oh,
there.
yeah.
And then here you have the mirror controls over here, all the power windows, power window lock. And then this is a button to lever to open the boot of the car. And as you see, it has a clutch. What does that mean? It's a manual gearbox, and yeah, we love manuals. Yeah, so it's a 5-speed manual. Practically, you have some space over here to keep your phone or something, 2 cup holders, a place
12 volt
charger,
charger.
12-volt socket. And then
And,
coming here, you have the handbrake. Handbrake is below the armrest. Here you have a place to, I don't know, keep your stuff or something. I
Sunglasses
don't
and all
know.
that.
And then
A nice armrest,
You have
and
an-
you can keep stuff here.
you have a nice armrest, and you can
But
put stuff over there.
one bad thing, you can't keep.
And you can
Oh,
also
whoa.
remove this
This
from
thing
here.
lifts up.
Yeah, so you can use only, if you don't want that, you can just have the
Yeah.
handbrake. Yeah, it has door bins there, and door bins are actually pretty huge, honestly.
Yeah.
They can easily hold kind of 750 ml bottles.
Yeah.
And coming to
You
the
have
top,
holders.
You have holders. And then, yeah, it doesn't have
Oh,
the soft
looks
close.
like-
That's about the front, and let's get on to the back. Yes, so guys, now in the back seat of the Rapid, and I have to say, loads
Lot
of
of
knee
leg
room,
space, yeah.
loads of leg room.
Oh,
and
that's a lot.
yeah, that's a lot of leg room. You can stretch out how much you want.
Headroom
Coming to
is okay.
headroom is, yeah. So someone
Okay.
who's over 6 foot may find trouble.
Yeah,
But
but it's a sedan.
it's a
so
sedan.
you can't expect so
And
tall cars.
exactly. So it expects both sportiness and luxury. AC vents over here. So this
Nice.
here is a cup
But
holder.
this isn't a good style. And you have a
12-volt
socket for
socket.
charging.
Yeah.
Which is cool.
And okay, now what we have to say is coming here. So and the middle person, you can't sit because have a look here. There is a huge hump.
That's terrible. It's like for 2 seats.
Oh my god, I think they
It's
wanted
four-seater.
to. Exactly, it's
They
pure
didn't want anyone sitting here.
Exactly. So even if you want a child, that child will
Yeah.
suffer like hell.
I know. Mom, why mom?
So here you don't have cup holders, but you have an armrest.
Nice armrest.
What I have to say, armrest is little high for me. Should have been little lower, I feel, because now our shoulder, it may pain.
Yeah.
But yeah, and because no one is sitting here, no headrest over here.
Yeah.
And then again you have the lights over here, 2 reading lights you have. And then you have the door handles over here. You have this small hook to hang some of your things. Here you have the pockets over here.
Pockets are stiff.
Pockets are stiff, correct,
But-
but they're also pretty small.
Yeah.
Here if you see, you have the blinds.
Yeah.
So that was the rear seat of the car. Let's get on to. So coming to the boot guys, so you have an unlock over there, and then so what you get here is a 460-liter boot space, which is good for a sedan. Which
Damn
is good
good,
for a
yeah.
sedan. Yeah, as you see, you have a light over here which deploys automatically.
Yeah.
Even the loading lip. Okay, so this thing I don't like again, that when you're loading something, you may scratch your paint.
Yeah.
And-
I guess that's a problem.
Yeah, so this scratch plate should have been here for it to for properly loading things. Even the load lip, the high depth of it is not too high also, so you can stuff things easily. You can't fold the rear seats, proper sedan. So that's about the boot. Let's get on with the engine. Now coming to the engine. So yeah, the hood is pretty heavy, I would say. I don't know why, but
And you don't have struts.
you don't have struts over
And-
here. Yeah, this doesn't have insulation. So the city had insulation. That's
Yeah.
So what engine do you get here? So you get here, what you get here is a 1.6 liter naturally aspirated inline 4 TSI engine. So yeah, TSI meaning petrol. So how many interesting numbers? How much does it make? So it outputs 105 horsepower and 153 newton meters of torque. This is the air filter over here and the air intake. The air goes to cool the engine. That's exposed like it's any sport car. But whatever, so this was the engine. Let's move on to the final verdict of the car. Yeah, so coming to the final verdict of the 2019 Skoda Rapid. So what do we think of it? We think it's a nice looking car.
Yeah, really good looking.
Really good looking car.
And interior looks good, as you can see, but practicality was okay.
Practicality is okay. Performance, the thing is, I really feel that they could have
Done better.
tweaked the horsepower a little
Yeah.
bit. Because if you see the competition, if you see the city, it has a hell lot of horsepower.
Yeah.
So compared to
Really
this
is,
one, compared to this one.
Yeah.
So yeah, Skoda could have done that. Another thing.
Tell
and
us which you like more in the comments, Skoda or City?
Skoda, City, Verna, tell which one, whichever
Yeah.
you like. And yeah, but I think that Skoda has done a good job with the design of the car. So this is a pretty much a mini Superb.
Yeah.
And then they made it look sporty as hell. So you have these body lines over here. As I've said before, you have the black mirrors, blacked out rims. So yeah, those look very nice. Let us know what you think about the car in the comments below. Anyways, so before we end this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because
We have
why
plans.
not? Why not? You're just a button away. Please do it. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and that was a Skoda Rapid.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Thank you.